Cotton the cat had been living blind on the streets until good people rescued him and gave him the help he needed. At the time, they had no idea that he had such beautiful eyes. Cotton was found wandering outside a private home in Florida. The property owner fed the poor kitty and put him in a cat carrier. Carmen, founder of the Animal Friends Project, took the kitty to the vet. He was suffering from mange, dehydration, and malnourishment. Carmen says, he purred the whole time they were examining him. She took the kitty home and into her family to foster him to health. She explains, we knew that if we took some precautions that we could still touch and love Cotton to help him heal. Before long, the crust on his ears started to come off and the brave little boy began to feel better. Little by little, he started to gain weight. It was a nice surprise to see that he had one blue and one yellow eye, Carmen adds. Cotton is very social. He loves people and searches for attention. He wants to be where you are, she says. A few months later, and this handsome kitty is totally transformed. Carmen realized she had grown very fond of Cotton and didn't want to put him through another big change. So she decided to give him a forever home. After all the suffering he experienced as a homeless kitty, Cotton finally found a loving family and a home to call his own.